Hello everyone, welcome back to Saving Sweet William. Can you believe it? We've made it through another incredible year on YouTube whilst renovating Villa Sweet William.
2025 has been absolutely jam-packed with projects, surprises, challenges and some truly unforgettable moments on our beautiful Greek island.
From tackling massive DIY transformations to meeting the original builders of our villa. From wildfires to wonderful collaborations, this year has had it all.
So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable and join us as we take you through every highlight from January all the way through to December. Let's dive in.
Our 2025 YouTube journey began with a shed transformation project. This was a huge undertaking that we'd been working on and we documented every step of the process.
We really loved the little shed building at the back of the garden and wanted to give it the makeover it truly deserved. It was looking a bit sorry for itself. So we did everything, stripping off the old render, taking out the window frames, which in hindsight, maybe we shouldn't have done because we accidentally cracked a pane of glass.
Nevertheless, we marched on. We fitted new beads, re-rendered all the walls, stripped out the rotten woodwork from the beautiful wooden door, filled it and repainted it. It looked absolutely beautiful in the end and we were extremely happy with the job we'd done.
In the depths of winter in February, we decided to use the opportunity to do a lot of planning. One of the first and biggest projects we covered was our outdoor patio area.
We used an AutoCAD package called Smart Draw to generate plans of what we wanted the patio to look like and set aside time in the summer to bring the project to life. We also began work on our shutter project.
This included taking apart some reclaimed shutters at our home in England before resizing them to fit the windows in Greece. We needed to learn lots of intricate woodworking skills, so this was a great month of learning how to use new tools and picking up carpentry skills along the way. March 2025 was when our channel grew massively. We released a roundup video showing 1 year since we began our YouTube channel and all the progress we've made, both on renovating the house and settling into village life in Greece.
We showed lots of the things we'd gotten up to in and around the island. The video really resonated with people and it has remained the most successful video we've had since the beginning of this whole YouTube adventure.
April was a fascinating month. We were lucky enough to talk to the people who bought the land that our villa sits on and built the house in the 1980s. It was an unbelievable story.
The family that built the house had been browsing YouTube one day, just looking for Greek renovations, and couldn't believe their eyes when our house, Villa Sweet William, popped up in front of them. They were astonished to see somebody was bringing it back to life and documenting the whole process on YouTube.
We arranged an interview with them, and we were truly blessed to hear so many fascinating stories about what life was like in the 1980s back on our island of Zakynthos and at Villa Sweet William. We really hope to chat with the family again someday very, very soon.
We returned to our house after 6 months away and in May we showed what had greeted us. The garden was an absolute jungle, totally overgrown, weeds everywhere and it was barely accessible.
It was a huge, monumental task to clear it all up, but we did it and the house was now ready for another summer of fun.
June marked the real start of summer and we celebrated by doing our first property showcase video where we showed several houses that were up for sale for under €100,000, similar to ours.
We also made the Times newspaper in Britain, which was quite a shock. We were featured alongside Amanda Holden and Alan Carr, who are also renovating a house in Greece.
During this month, we carried out our first paid collaboration with a tool brand called Dongcheng Tools. So it was great to get some experience learning how to promote products.
July was a really busy month for us as it saw the culmination of our plans from February come to life. We set about working on our Greek patio, which we documented completely on YouTube, showing everything from lifting the old paving slabs to laying the sub-base to making a brand new crazy-paving area.
We learned about the beauty of using powdered marble as mortar instead of cement. This was an amazing project to do and one of our biggest transformations we've achieved in our Greek home so far.
The heat of August brought devastation to our island as wildfires spread across Zakynthos. We made a video showing what had been going on and trying to give some helpful advice on how to keep houses safe from spreading fire. We also did a few other paid collaborations this month, including a power washer brand called eTool Lab, a stationery company called EcoStash, which came in very handy for our villa filing system, and a security camera brand called Anchor, which is helping to keep our house safe while we're not there. September saw 10 years of Joe and I being together, so we made a video talking about everything that had led us to buy Villa Sweet William.
We shared all of our inspiration over those 10 years, which included originally wanting to buy a house in France after being inspired by Dick and Angel from Escape to the Chateau, a really lovely couple who we have had the pleasure of meeting.
During October, we focused on the fact that we'd been featured on a UK radio station called Fix Radio. We did an interview with them and showed the whole thing alongside the projects that we were discussing.
It was a lovely 12-minute chat with a guy called Mark Miller, who made us feel really comfortable. We were really happy with how the interview turned out, seeing as it was our first time actually being featured on the radio.
We were beginning to realise just how much we had done in a year and how our tiny little Greek renovation had managed to reach so many different parts of the world.
November saw us going over to Greece for just the weekend, so we decided to highlight everything we were able to get done in 48 hours on the island.
We also challenged the viewer to think about spending a long weekend on a Greek island as opposed to a traditional city break.
We really do believe that a Greek island has a lot to offer, not just as a holiday destination, but as a lovely place to go for a long, relaxing weekend.
During December, we focused on rounding up all the highlights from our incredible year on the island of Zante and all the projects that we've tackled so far.
It's winter season now, so the direct flights have stopped, but winter is a great time to take stock of what you've done before getting ready to plan for the year ahead.
What an absolutely incredible year it's been. Looking back through all these months, we're blown away by how much we've accomplished and how much this little Greek villa renovation has grown into something so much bigger than we ever imagined.
From both of us here at Villa Sweet William, we just want to say a massive thank you. Thank you for watching, for commenting, for sharing your own renovation stories, and for coming along on this journey with us. You've made this year truly special, and we honestly couldn't do it without your support.
As we head into 2026, we've got so many exciting plans and projects lined up. There's still so much work to do at the villa, and we can't wait to share every step with you.
If you've enjoyed this year in review, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures. Here's to another amazing year at Villa Sweet William. We'll see you on the next one.